In this video today, I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube channel in 2020 and the best tips that you can take away to grow your YouTube channel. These are the same strategies that I used on my brand new channel to go from 0 subscribers to 2,000 subscribers in a matter of weeks and be ready to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. I'll be showing you everything that you need to know to do exactly the same. So make sure you watch this entire video because I'll be showing you a bonus strategy that's going to help you grow your YouTube channel and get a lot more views. Welcome back to the Smart Money Tactics channel, guys. And on this channel, I post videos 3 times a week where I teach you how to grow your YouTube channels, get the best impact out of your videos, and make some money along the way. So if this is the content that you're interested in, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell identification icon. That way, you don't miss out on any of the videos that I post that are coming up. With that being said, let's get straight into this video. So the first tip I have for you when you start a YouTube channel is to optimize your channel page and the overall outlook of your channel so that you have the best opportunity to get people to subscribe by them understanding exactly what your channel is about. So the first thing that you want to set up properly is your channel art. And one of the places that you can go to do this is a site called canva.com. And you can go there and you can create really good banners so that people understand exactly what your channel is about. For example, take a look at my channel banner on my Smart Video Tactics channel. You can see here that on Smart Video Tactics, the name is over here. I tell people what the channel is about. I help them grow their YouTube channel, make some money along the way, and have the best impact. Okay, and obviously it's got a YouTube sign over here so people know that it's all YouTube related. And another thing that's extremely important is to have your subscribe button up here in the corner, which gives people the opportunity to subscribe to your YouTube channel. That's the first thing you want to have. It's extremely important, it's visual, and people can go over here and see exactly straight away what this channel is about. The second thing that you want to have when it comes to your channel art or your overall channel appearance is your icon over here. Okay, extremely important because this comes up and turns up on so many different places when you're leaving comments, when you're subscribing to different people's channel, when they come to your channel, when you interact with them. So your channel icon needs to say something about you or show your face or something like that. It needs to look professional and stand out so that people understand or know exactly who that is and what channel that is related to. The next thing that I want to show you that's extremely important is you need to go over here into your about page and you need to describe exactly what your channel is about. You want to tell people when you're going to be posting, what the channel is about, and the benefit to them subscribing to your YouTube channel. This gives them an overall understanding what the channel is about, and it helps you grow your YouTube channel because if people are not sure about what your content is about, then they can come over here and check out your channel, find out a little bit more about yourself, and then they'll make this informed decision whether or not to subscribe to your YouTube channel. So if you're looking to start a YouTube channel in 2020, make sure that you have those 3 key points completed and optimized so that you have the best opportunity to get more YouTube subscribers and grow your YouTube channel. The second tip I have for you when you're looking to grow your YouTube channel is keyword research and how you use these keywords in your videos. Let's have a look at one of my videos and what I did to make sure that this video performs really, really well and gets the best outcome possible. So the video that we're going to go to today is the second video that I ever posted on this channel. And the reason why I'm showing you the second video that I ever posted is to show you what's possible with a brand new channel. The first video that I posted was just basically a welcome video and what this channel is going to be about. So essentially this was one of the first videos that I posted on this channel, which is related to the topics that I'm going to talk about. So let's check out some of the analytics on this video and why keywords are extremely important when you look to grow your YouTube channel. So if we go over here and we click onto this channel, we're going to go and look at the analytics of it. So here are some of the metrics with this YouTube video that I posted. You can see here that it's had almost 22,000 impressions, click-through rate of 6.2%, which isn't the highest that I normally get, but I've left it on there. It was one of the first videos that I made on this channel. I didn't want to change it. I've had 2,100 views on a channel that only has 2,100 subscribers, so it's not that bad. So if we scroll down here, I want to show you what the top traffic source is for this video. And as you can see, YouTube search here is sitting at 52.2% on this video alone. So that's a phenomenal amount of traffic that's coming just through YouTube search. So I'm going to show you exactly how to optimize your video after you get your 3 keywords. Then I'm going to show you how a pro tip of how you can do some simple keyword research using YouTube itself. So once you know what keywords you want to target on your video, there's a couple of places that you need to ensure that you put these keywords into. And the first one is your title. You can see here that I'm targeting best YouTube channel ideas 2020. And that's exactly what I have in my title. That's exactly what I have in my description. And that's exactly what I have in my tags. Now, this video was ranking for a lot more tags when I posted it. And over time, it's dropped off because I don't have the authority on this channel and the viewership to continue growing it. It's still getting a lot of views for a really, really small channel and getting that generic views. And then what you do is you come down here, you can see that in my description over here, I also have a lot of the keywords that I've got in my tags in my YouTube channel. And the best way to do this is to make it sound as genuine as possible. So once you have your keywords and you know what keywords you want to use, make sure it's in the title, make sure you've got it in the description section. You don't need to have it so many times, just 2, 3, 4 times is more than enough. And then you need to make sure that you've got it in your tags. Now I want to show you some very basic ways of finding keywords that rank really, really well and keywords that are popular and trending at the moment so that you can optimize your video with keyword tags that are going to get you views. So let's have a look at that right now. So if you come over to YouTube itself, let me just go over to YouTube. I want to show you something that's pretty powerful. Let's say you're looking to find a keyword research. Now on this one over here, I was looking for best YouTube channel ideas. So what I did was I typed in best YouTube channel, and you can see here that ideas comes up first. And then what you do is you complete that ideas, and then what you can do if you press space and then underscore, it's going to start giving you all these different keywords that you can use to rank this video in. Now this is a pro tip. This is something that you're not going to get on vidIQ or TubeBuddy or anything like that. This is something that YouTube itself is telling you are popular keywords. So then what you can do is you can press spacebar again, and then you can start pressing all the letters of the alphabet. So for example, let's say you come over here and you press A, it's going to give you everything that has the letter A in it after that. So you delete that, you press B, and it's going to start giving you all the different keywords that you could potentially use once you enter in best YouTube channel ideas. Okay, so you can just press all the different letters and see what comes up and what you can potentially use. So that is a pro tip that you can use after finding what keywords that you want to use. So you come over here and you know roughly what you want to use, you enter it in here and you see what additional keywords you can use. Make sure you've got it in your title, make sure you've got it in your description, and make sure that you've got it in the tag section, and that will give your YouTube video the best possible chance to rank not only on YouTube search but also in Google as well. And as you can see with this particular video, if we come back over to this video, I want to show you something that's extremely powerful. So if we have a look at the top traffic external sources, you can see here that Google search is accounting for 17% of views on this video, which shows you how important search engine optimization is, or correct SEO, because anybody going into Google and searching best YouTube channel ideas for 2020 are seeing my video on there and they're clicking onto it. It's taking them over to YouTube and I'm getting these views as well. So remember that when you're looking and thinking about your keyword research, you're not just going to get views from YouTube, you're also going to get views from Google search as well. The next tip I have for you when you're looking to grow your YouTube channel is anytime you go to create a brand new video is to spend some time researching that particular topic on YouTube, having a look at what other creators are doing with that same type of video, how they've made it successful, and then planning out exactly what you're going to do with that video. What do you want the viewer to get out of that video? What is the message that you want to send out, and how are you going to deliver it? Whether you complete script by script, word by word, what you're going to say, or whether or not you just sit there and you type out exactly what you want to have in that video, like I have for this particular video. So it's extremely important that you have everything set out on a piece of paper as to what you want to deliver, because you don't want to just be sitting there going freestyling, because I can guarantee you will forget a lot of the stuff on there. So it's extremely important that you start off with the intro, making sure that the intro is on point, then going through the middle part of your video, making sure that you deliver everything that you want in the stages that you want to make sure that they get delivered through correctly, all the way to the end, and also in the video including a number of call to actions so that people will engage with your videos, whether it's leaving a comment, subscribing to your YouTube channel, or just hitting that thumbs up button. And if you're enjoying this video, make sure that you smash that like button, guys, because it supports the channel and obviously the algorithm will love you for it. So when you do those different types of call to actions, people will oblige. If you don't, a lot of the times they may not. And then it's extremely important to also think about cards and end screens, and also what end screens are best to follow on from these types of videos, which takes me into the next topic in terms of making sure that you have the right end screens and making sure that you have the right cards throughout your videos to ensure that not only you get the most watch time, but you also get the most session watch time, which we're going to talk about right now. Before I get onto cards, I want to talk about end screens. Now, end screens are really important for increasing your session watch time and also making sure that people subscribe to your YouTube channel so that you can continue to grow. And you've got a few options on here. You can add playlists, which we'll talk about in a second. You can add your subscribe button. You can add your most recently made video, or you can add an option best for viewer, which YouTube will decide what video to put there that they feel is best for that viewer to watch next. And this is extremely powerful tools for yourselves to use. And I see many YouTubers not using these. The first one is your YouTube icon, your subscribe button, and you need to have that on there because somebody that has watched your entire video is likely to subscribe to watch that next video. So when you're finishing up your video, you can tell them to subscribe so they don't miss your next video and give them that call to action and when you're going to post that next video. Now going back onto the different types of videos that you can post. I always post a popular video, a best for viewer video, and a playlist. Now I've just had a look at this video and I'm not sure why I don't have a playlist on here, but if you have a look at all my videos, I have at least one playlist in my end screens. And what this does is allows the viewer to binge watch and watch multiple videos from that you have made in that particular topic, which keeps them on the platform a lot longer, and it sends signals to YouTube that your viewers are likely to stay longer on the platform and engage with your content. So really, really important that you do place these different types of videos when you're finishing off a video. Now, the next thing that we want to talk about is your cards. Okay, so as you can see, I have a number of cards on here. I also like to engage with the audience and ask them whether or not they have subscribed and whether or not they're liking that video. And as you can see, I have a few polls on here that people can click onto. And as you can see here, 85% of people have said, yes, of course I have subscribed. Some people have said they're not sure yet. And over here, I've asked them if they've smashed the like button. Some people have said doing it now. No, sorry. Another one said done already. Okay, so it's an awesome way to remind people to do things that you'd like them to do. Then you can have a video for them to watch somewhere throughout that video that's related to this one. Now, this is best YouTube channel ideas. Then I've got one over here that tells them how to get more views hourly. So the content is related to what they've got on there. So really important that you've got cards on your videos and that you've probably set up that video with your end screen so that you can continue to grow your YouTube channel and you get more subscribers. And I'll leave you with this one pro tip. When it comes to your end screens, make sure that you have at least one playlist on there. And if you have a look at a lot of my videos, later videos that I have created after this one, because this was only the second video, so I didn't have playlists at this time and I haven't come back to optimize this video, but I should have because I'm potentially losing more views. But if you have a look at my recent videos, you will see that I have multiple playlists on my cards and my end screens, keeping people longer on the platform. The next pro tip that I have for you when it comes to growing your YouTube channel is to make sure that you reply to all your comments. So people will come on here, they'll leave awesome comments, they'll ask questions about your videos, and it's a really, really easy way to get more subscribers because if you engage with somebody that leaves a comment and asks you a question and you come over here and you answer that question, they're more likely to subscribe. Not only that, it sends signals to YouTube that you're getting a lot more engagement on your videos and it's more likely to get pushed through YouTube search and browse features. And if you go over here and have a look, you can see that I reply to pretty much every single comment that I get. And if you're a new YouTube creator, there is absolutely no reason why you can't reply to every single comment. And those early subscribers are vital to the success of your YouTube channel, especially when you're starting out on YouTube. So do not neglect the people that are coming there, the first people that are coming there to help you grow your YouTube channel. So really important that you reply back to every single comment that you get on YouTube and make sure that you heart that comment, like that comment, and engage with your subscribers. And since we're on the subject of comments, how are you going to get more comments on your YouTube videos? Well, the first tip I'm going to give you is to ask people to comment and ask them to say something like, for example, on this video, what I'd like you to do is go down in the comments and let me know which one of these pro tips you're going to take for your YouTube channel. And people will go down and comment and let me know. And this is going to increase engagement. I'm going to reply back to those comments and I'll see where I can support you with your YouTube channel growth. So depending on what channel you have, it's a really good idea to get these questions out there towards the start of the video when you've got majority of the people watching those videos. This is going to increase engagement and it's going to help you grow your YouTube channel even quicker. I really hope that you enjoyed these pro tips today. I wanted to get these out there to you straight away so that you can start using these that are going to help you grow your YouTube channel, ultimately get you monetized a lot quicker by getting your subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content, make sure you smash that like button. And as always, subscribe with the bell identification icon so that you don't miss my next awesome video that will be coming out in a couple of days. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Alan from Smart Video Tactics. You guys take care and goodbye.